Hey, what's up guys? Mao here for Unbox Everything. If you followed my channel for some time, you know that I love unboxing and reviewing Bluetooth earphones, Bluetooth headphones, and you know that right now the standard for that is sort of the Apple AirPods. But the thing is that those have a really steep price and they're only compatible with iPhones and other Apple products. So I was looking for something out there for me, and I got this. This is the 1-for-1 Apple AirPod clones, the i500 TWS earphones. And you can get this for a fraction of the price of the real thing. It's a really affordable price, but we're going to be checking it out today, checking out the quality, the build, all that stuff to see if it's something you would want to pick up for yourself. But before I get into the unboxing, I'd just like to say a big thank you to MGET for sponsoring this video, sending this over, making this video review possible. You can find them at madgeniuset.com. I will leave the links in the description below. Starting off with the box, you can see that it's really clean, really close to the actual Apple packaging. It just doesn't have the text or the Apple logos on the sides. But yeah, that's it. So let's open it up. Up front, we've got the actual earphones here. And then underneath, we've got the charger, which is a lightning cable. And then of course, just got some instruction manuals. So here it is. As you can see, it is the exact same dimensions and design as the official Apple AirPods. It's got a button at the back and got the light indicator at the front, and then we open it up. There we go, just like that. And so it closes by magnet also, and we've got the earphones inside. So let me tell you quickly about the specifications of this and what you can expect before we try it on and I give you my impressions and review of the quality. The compatible devices that this supports are Apple iPhones running iOS 13 and above. Also supports Android if you got an Android phone, so that is super cool. The battery life is around 4 hours of listening time on a single charge of the earphones, but of course it comes with the charging case, which can charge it around 3 to 4 times, leaving you around 15 hours of total listening time with the earphones and the charging case. And the charging case can be charged via lightning cable as included in the box, or wirelessly on a Qi wireless charging pad as well. Another cool feature that it has is that it's got in-ear optical sensors, meaning that when you put the earphones in your ear, it'll play, and once you take them out, it's gonna pause. So it knows when it's in your ear and when it's not. And for the actual sound, it's got noise cancellation, and according to reviewers, it's got much more bass than standard AirPods. So looking at the spec list, it looks really good. It's a 1-to-1 clone to the Apple AirPods, and it's got all the features included. So now, all we gotta do is connect it up and give it a listen. So let's do that right now. So to pair it up, all you gotta do is you gotta press the button at the back, and then you're gonna open up the top, and the light's gonna start flashing white. Took me a while to figure that out, but yeah, that's how it is. And then now we just turn on our Bluetooth over here on your phone, and you're gonna find it says AirPods. So you click that. So now the AirPods are connected. When it's open, when you close it, it's gonna automatically disappear. And again, when you open it up, it's gonna automatically pair. So that's really cool, just like the real AirPods, automatic pairing once you open it up. So now we're gonna take them out. Again, these are 1-to-1 clones, so they are super accurate. It's got all the sensors and all the parts look very, very similar to the real AirPods. Alright, so let's try them on right now. Alright, good fit in the ears. That's how it looks. That's how it looks. That's how it looks. Okay, so again, nice fit. Now let's try to play some music. And this is the real test to see, you know, how it sounds. Alright, before I tell you about the sound quality, it's got some controls, so if you press it here twice, it's gonna stop the music, and then if I press it again twice, music, yeah, it takes there's around a second delay between pressing it and its actual response. If you press it 3 times, it's gonna skip the song. You gotta press it kind of hard, you know, it's not just like tapping it. You gotta actually hit it kind of hard, so it's gonna feel it. And that's actually pretty good, so it's gonna skip the track. And yeah, so it's got controls like that. Really nice that it's got it right on the earphones. Of course, you can do it through your phone or your smartwatch, whatever. But really nice that it's got that feature as well. Alright. Okay, so the only weird thing is that it says that when you take them out of your ears, it's supposed to sense it and pause your music, but somehow it's still playing. I don't know why that's not working on these, but yeah. Everything else works as advertised and works really, really well. So now sound quality. So for the sound quality, I would say that they are really good. They exceeded my expectations. I'm used to using in-ear earphones, so I would be used to that kind of noise cancellation, but I would say that these do a pretty good job of canceling the noise outside just because of the way that it fits in the ears. And the volume is really good, no need to worry about it being too soft. And the bass is really good on these, much better than I expected, and as people say, it's got more bass than the official AirPods, so I would say that these are really good, worth picking up. I would highly recommend these. And of course, it comes in at a fraction of the price, so really good buy. I'm really happy with these. So now we're just gonna put it back in its charging case. Okay, I put that in backwards. There we go. Drop it in just like that. Good. So just put it back in the charging box, just like that. And again, the form factor, really small and pocketable, just like the real thing. Really good. Thank you again, MGET, for sending this over. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. I hope it helped you decide if you want to pick this up for yourself. I will be leaving the link to this product in the description below. Check it out if you want to pick it up. And hey, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I've got more weekly unboxing videos of tech like earphones, headphones. If you want to check out another earphones unboxing, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another video you may enjoy, click or tap the screen right over here. And also give this video a thumbs up, give it a like so that I know that you're enjoying my content. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything. Shh.